sorry, tell me the Shanghai time zone.
Well, what time do you have in mind?
We normally do 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. is the start time that best suits all the students.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's okay with me. 6
Yeah,
or
for
7
me,
are
6
both
is,
fine.
yeah, same.
Okay. Okay, let's talk.
It's not confirmed because I have classes.
On 17, when you have class?
Yes, I have classes on 17 from 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. No, from 7 p.m. and then to 10 p.m.
Okay, so here is the problem. So we're gonna start early. So what we're gonna
Yes,
do,
please.
we're gonna start at 5 p.m. Shanghai time. Then it's gonna be okay for you for 2 hours?
Yes, it's
Yeah,
okay.
Petronella?
5 is okay for me
Michael?
as well. Yes.
Michael?
Yeah, 5 is also okay.
Okay, let's talk about our, let me share the screen and then I'm gonna tell you, explain it so that others can also. So I'm sharing the whiteboard here. Okay, so I'm gonna upload paper in 2 parts. So part 1 gonna be like true, false, or MCQs. Michael and Kevin, you already studied with me the other subjects, so you know that what kind of true, false, and MCQs I have normally, right?
Yeah, but I wanted to ask, what exactly will be in those true, false, and MCQ questions?
Some concept checkers. For example, what is the honors equity below? So for example, salary payable is honors equity or liability, right? True, false, right? The concept checker, what is the net income, you know, there are going to be like different options and you're going to click that one. You understand that? Right?
Yes, yeah.
Basically, I want to test your concepts. Good. So part 1 going to be 50 marks. And part 2, it has numerical question. In that, I will be giving you like 4 to 5 questions and you have to solve it. And they're going to be like journal entries as well and statements as well. Like we have to make or answer what is the net income and what is the income statement, what is the balance sheet, right? This kind of question. So I'm not going to give you too long questions. Rather, I'm going to give you small question to test on every chapters. So these numerical parts going to be testing you from every chapter. So now our midterm going to be what we have learned up till now. We have total 8 lectures we already covered, right? So up till now, those 8 chapters going to be included. And again, this is going to be 50 marks. So what I'm going to do, how are we going to conduct this? So I'm going to upload all parts. So for this part 1 MCQs, I will also upload the answer sheet. So Michael and Thievina, you already know that what I mean by the answer sheet. It's going to be like a Word format in which there are some columns, tables like 1, 2, 3, 4. For example, the MCQs, you need to write down what is true and is false, true, false, right? Petronella, you understand?
Yes, makes sense.
Let me just give you an example of this one as well.
Yes.
Answer sheet. So it will be look like this. Can you see that? Can you see this?
Sharing it. start sharing again.
No, I can't see either.
You can see. Let me just share again and share my screen. New share. Yeah, can you share? Can you see that?
Yeah.
So the answer sheet gonna be like this. So this is my previous subject, which is managerial accounting, and we are having principle of accounting. So it would be like this. You have to write down your name here. Here would be your name. And here would be your ID. And you write it down your answers, true, false, like that. Here, MCQ is gonna be A, B, C, D. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna give you this. Let me just again start whiteboard. So I'm gonna upload these parts along with the answer sheet, right? But
Yes.
for this part one, they're gonna be timing because I need to eliminate the opportunity for cheating. I hope you understand my motive behind the timing issue. For example, I'm gonna give you 40 minutes to send me on my email or on my personal WeChat ID the answer sheet, right? So that file that I just showed you, that Word file, you need to send me within the time limit, right? Please do participate so that I can understand that you are hearing properly and there is no internet, problem.
Yeah.
Okay?
Can
Yes,
we
Celia.
just type? Can we just one word, or do we have to like print a paper and then take a picture?
No, you don't need to do that. The answer sheet gonna be in Word format. You just need to write it down, true, false, MCQs answer, and then send back to me with your name, right? That's enough.
Okay.
But the file name gonna be with your student ID and your name. You rewrite your answer sheet, or you rename it with your student ID plus name. Okay.
But for the numerical part, we solve
For
it on a
the-
piece of paper and then
Yeah,
same photo.
take a picture, convert it into one PDF or Word file like you are doing assignments, right? Send back to me.
Okay.
With your,
So you will send us these on WeChat, right? Files. Part 1 and 2.
I will be uploading this on WeChat,
Okay.
right? So,
Yeah.
all clear? All right. So what we have just discussed, I'm gonna upload. Both parts of midterm, right? Part 1,
Yes.
true, false, MCQs. Part 2 is numerical, right? So
Yeah.
I would be uploading both at the same time so that if you have some time after finishing this one, you can start your numerical, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
With part 1 answer sheet as well. Part 2, you don't need to send me part 1, you just need to send me part 1 answer sheet with your name. That's done. And part 2, send in PDF or Word file. Take a picture, paste in a Word file or make a PDF file, but rename it with your, so you should rename this file and these both files as your student ID plus your name, right?
Yes.
And send back to me in time. right?
So what's the time limit for the second part again?
The whole midterm gonna be like, I'm planning to have 2 hours.
Mhm.
And if you know the concept, you can do it, I think, in 1.5 hour, or or maybe in maximum 70 minutes or 75 minutes, you can do that. But
Okay.
I'm going to give you 2 hours so that if you have some kind of internet issue or uploading issue, you still have that time period,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
That's
Besides,
okay.
if you have any query regarding anything, I'm 24/7 available on WeChat as well. You just post your queries on your WeChat
Yeah, I
group
wanted
as
to
well.
ask if you perhaps could give us some like prep sheets for maybe where we can see like concept checker, practice questions, or
Practice question, yes, 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 yes. Okay,
yeah,
that's
if
good
you
one.
have that, that would be really helpful.
Okay, I'm gonna send you some of the
Also
practice
for the
questions.
numerical part and both for true
Numerical
false.
part, I already uploaded the chapters. On the end of the chapter, there are like more than 40 questions to practice,
Okay.
right? So
Okay.
you can practice questions over there as well. Plus,
So
in
you're
those chapters, there are some examples between the between the chapter. There are some examples and also the solution as well, and of those examples. So you can practice those examples as well.
but it should resemble the assignments with it, right?
Mostly the assignments, I just copy paste from the problem section of the at the end of the chapter.
Okay.
So that when I send the page, the chapters, the assignment, they should correlate with each other.
Okay, got it.
There are other books where I can put questions and just paste it here, so the solution gonna be it's not match according to this format as well. So that's why, to be on the on the same page. So I mostly took the question from the end chapter problems or exercises.
Yeah, got it.
Okay, any other question?
No, not right now. I don't think.
Yovina?
No questions.
Michael?
Yeah, I'm also good.
Okay, that's all for our meeting for today. So I'm going to be uploading this paper pattern and our today's meeting on our YouTube channel. And if you still have any question, please do write me on my WeChat. It's better to write a question in a group so that others can also benefit from that question. Although I'm available on privately as well, you can send me a private message as well. I will definitely answer that question as well. But it would be better if you send into the group so that the others can also benefit.
Okay.
Okay, okay, guys.
Okay,
Okay.
bye. Thank you.
No question, then we may leave.
Take care. Bye bye.
Okay, take care. Bye bye. Have fun. Stay safe.